has been lost in the rotation is Wacky Garcia.
Well, still been in up and down. Hindi pa siya gaano ginagamit this first round. Of course, he suffered an injury, sat out season 99. But he'll get there. I think this is his final year then, so we'll see.
I just remembered because I saw him on the screens. Coach Chico Manabat very active as he prepares his troops for battle here in the second half.
Quarter.
And we are underway. The offense starting with Jubillia. Loses control of the basketball. Hernal. Too strong off the glass. Escamis with the board. Jubillia. Escamis. Cuenco. Extra pass. Oh, bodies colliding. Hernal and Jubillia on the floor.
Oo, yung pag-box out, face box out na ni Trey. Si Jubillia. Tingnan mo, ang pagkatira, naka-face box out na siya, pero single contact yung ginawa niya, tapos binitawan. If guys like Jubillia are crashing the boards, you want to push them out to the three-point area pagka-guard ka.
Not an easy thing to do. Oh, offensive foul. Ang tinawag dito kay Cuenco.
Yep, good call by our official right there, swinging on the left hand.
There's Wacky Garcia.
Second, first team foul.
He was already on the roster of Mapua even way back in season 95.
So 2 taon pa siyang malamang dahil ito kay year off last season.
Abiera. Escamis with the rebound. Oh! Spin move. Cross-court pass. Borromeo. Too strong.
Opportunities are there para dito sa Arellano, not able to convert.
Jubillia. Misses at the rim.
Thanks na possession guy din tong Hernal. Ang laki ng effect niya dito sa team nila.
Makibalita muna tayo. Ito ulit, si Kayla Afable.
Anton and Coach Hammer, everyone that I spoke to on the side of the Mapua Cardinals told me that their strength is hustling in the first half, but they sometimes struggle to take care of that lead, and they cannot let that happen today. In the dugout, they were reminded to put extra pressure on the scorers of the Chiefs. They need to make the opportunities and be fearless in defending the basket. If there's one thing the Chiefs need to create an advantage, it's increased effort. They've had much experience when it comes to pressure, and today will be no different. They need to match the pace of the Cardinals, knowing that they have a target in Capulong, but there are always scorers ready to take their shots. All for now, back to you, Anton and Coach Hammer.
And you would think that it's Arellano's pace that you would have to try to keep up with because they're always running.
Yep.
But Mapua has a running team as well with that small ball lineup.
Yep. Effort teams. Good move. A good move there by Libang. Going downhill. Fake handoff. Contact. There you go.
So that's going to be 2 free throws for CJ Libang.
Shooting 2, CJ Libang.
In and out on the first.
Little too much side spin.
Second free throw. makes the proper adjustments.
That was Sean for Andre Igliane.
Cuenco loses his defender. Jubilia. Baseline jumper, no. Kamay picks up the loose ball. Kamay 8 on the shot clock. Kamay. Abiera. Jubilia with the board.
Dami ng attempts dito in the third quarter ng Arellano. Multiple opportunities. Pero hindi sila makabutas.
Blocking foul on number 41, CJ Libang is first. First team foul. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Jubilia receives the inbound pass. Cuenco. Floater in the lane. Cuenco. Hulog ng langit.
Yep. Di uso box out dito sa larong to. Kuhaan ng bola ang tema ng laro.
Bernal. Sidestep. Libang is free. And it is now down to just 3.
So just going through that small L action. May drive sa strong side. Lipat ka lang sa weak side. Just finishing off the glass. Good read there by Hernal.
Escamis.
Hirap na tira para kay Clint. Ganda rin na nilalaro ni Borromeo defensively. Blanketing Clint Escamis. Pero di ka pwede mag-relax dyan. Oh, good defense.
Libang. Cuenco steals it. Cuenco splits the D and that's a foul.
Blocking foul on number 25, Anthony Borromeo. TV timeout.
We'll take a break. Mapua leads Arellano 43-40.
This is a moment, so puso mo. The sky is the limit. Tara na, magsama-sama. Dahil together, we own the future.
Alam nyo ba na meron ding Kapuso Stars ang nag-aral sa NCAA schools? Ilan sa mga ito ay sina Yasser Marta na naging team B ng San Sebastian bago lumipat sa LPU. Si Anthony Rosaldo naman ay galing sa Arellano at si Rocco Nasino na naging Mr. Mapua pa. Mga perpetual.
Kamag-ilan tayo na ito'y kaya na pag-ibig, kaya na inig, kaya na kunig.
The referees are reviewing.
Dahil before we went into TV timeout, there was a double technical call. Ito yung nangyari. So this was the play.
And then Cyrus is gonna be upset at something.
Oh, yun dito, yung pag-drive niya. So right there.
Ayun, kay Hernal.
Oo. Play yun naman. And then tumawag ng technical. Bago tayo, before we went to break, dahil kumontak pa ulit si Sai Cuenco kay Hernal. So tingnan natin kung anong tawag.
There was a technical foul on Mapua, number 10, Cyrus Cuenco. Technical foul on number 42, Joseph Hernal. Both for unsportsmanlike conduct.
So, technical fouls on Hernal and Cuenco for unsportsmanlike conduct.
Yep. Third foul on Joseph Hernal. 18 seconds to shoot.
Play resumes. Escamis. Rubilla. Cuenco. Oh!
Ton, ang ganda ng nilalaro ni Borromeo defensively. Mula first quarter, on-ball pressure, playing. Ito naman, free safety. Lahat ng makakalusot, active hands, nandoon. Hindi mo makikita yan sa box score, pero positioning, pag pinanood sa viewing ng mga coaches, makikita nila yung nag-free safety to. Tapos pag on-ball kay Escamis, naka-full pressure siya.
Borromeo. Oh, sorry miss. Cuenco comes up with a steal. Escamis.
Uy, nakalimutan.
Finds a wide open Concepcion.
Concepcion.
No safety.
Complete Escamis.
On the shaded area, itong Arellano. Borromeo na una na binitawan niya to close out. Very good habits again, rim running for Concepcion.
Clint Escamis sees things before they unfold.
Ito yung mabigat, Anton, dahil na technical si Cyrus Cuenco kanina. Pang-apat na personal foul na niya yun.
Valencia. One-handed floater reminiscent of that Jail Capulong game winner. Oh, what a save. What a save by Escamis. Mangubat, spin move. Mangubat blocked. Concepcion still has a lot of time. Concepcion, Pinoy step. Rubilla misses at the rim.
So scrappy game tayo dito ngayon. Low scoring. Penalty pa rito ang Mapua. So 2 free throws coming up para dito kay Basti Valencia. And if there is a missing link on the attack of Arellano, the past few games, even with their win against San Beda, it's Basti Valencia. Maganda yung simula niya in the season. Malaking wing, malakas ng katawan, marunong mag-create ng tira. So he's in a funk. Hopefully he snaps out of it because he's one of our better wing players.
And he is the captain of Arellano.
Yep.
So he's got to set that standard.
Ganun lang naman yan eh. You get into slumps, you get off slumps.
Capulong nagpabalik sa ating laro. Escamis. Escamis on Borromeo. Escamis creates separation at the buzzer.
That's an A+ for Borromeo right there. Fighting over screens, bullying up, and taking away the attacks. At hindi biro kasi isa sa pinakamagaling na shot creator si Clint Escamis.
T-Mac is fouled.
Maganda makita yung sequence na yun. Dalawang ball screen action. Borromeo, very good perimeter defender. On ball. And even on the shake, nung pagtira ni Clint, nandoon pa rin siya to challenge. Ito. I think foul.
What Arellano is doing right now is pretty much what they've been doing throughout the entire season. Just staying within striking distance and becoming a very, very dangerous foe in the end game.
Huwag kukuha ng knockdown sa first round. Doon tayo 12 rounds. Minsan umaabot pa nga ng 15 rounds eh. Para nung perpetual letran. Kumbaga panay sa bodega lang eh.
Delayed effect.
Oo. Daganan mo lang ng daganan. Tapos pagka mga winning rounds na, money rounds, tsaka kabibirada.
Yuan Kamay and his first NSC 14 foul, Arellano. Shot clock 17 seconds.
Bakale. Shovel pass. Concepcion puts the Mapua lead back to 4. Valencia. Kamay. Bakale. Lays it up. Too strong. And the foul call.
So penalty pa rito. 2 free throws coming up.
Foul on number 34, Yep Concepcion, penalty, third.
We have a timeout. Mapua is up by 4.
Silio. Estrada is on the move. Estrada puts it up and in. So Jimboy is on.
Nanay naka 30 points sa first quarter. Right now they're just 12 and 10.
Montesilio surveys Luna, providing the screen again. 8 to shoot for Nat.
4-point lead for the team that finished with the silver in season 99, Mapua University, on a mission to get back to the finals. Hey, we have the NCAA Policy Board representative from Arellano University, Francisco Paulino Caico. And what a game Anthony Borromeo has played. He's been all over the place.
The numbers won't reflect it. 0 out of 5 from the field. Mintis pa yung free throw niya rito. Pero Anton, ang lagi mo tatanungin, bakit nandoon sa loob? Ano yung direct effect niya sa laro nila? Kasi usually, ang mga nanonood, laging titignan lang nila puntos eh. Pero ano yung effect niya rito?
T-Mac with a steal. Oh. Concepcion. Diving.
Naglaban na ba Arellano sa San Sebastian? Hindi ko maalala sa dami ng pinanood ko na laro. Ayun, sa dulo. Magandang laban yan eh.
No, actually, they have played. Arellano won against San Sebastian, 87-73.
Second round, maganda panoorin niya. Parehas sila ng style.
Holding foul on number 4, John Capulong, penalty, his third foul.
Arellano will play again on Friday, Coach Hammer, against Benilde.
That's the line of
Yeah.
John Abonete.
That's rare, yung back-to-back game days. But of course, a day in between rest. Capulong with the board. called for a foul there.
Foul on number 18, Jaco Pancale. Penalty is second. Lawrence Mangubat replacing Jaco Pancale.
Might have gotten a floor burn there on his hand.
Yep.
He used his hand to snap the brakes. Tingin siya agad.
Saka mahapdi yun. Maramdaman mo lang yung pagka naligo ka na.
Two-point lead now for Mapua.
Illegal screen on that wiper screen. That's an illegal screen. Hinabol pa ng konti ni Agamenyi.
Noel Agamenyi, second.
Sumagalaw pa siya eh. Kung nag-set na siya, agamin mo. Medyo hinabol pa niya eh. Hinabol niya nung kanyang, hindi yung balikat eh, yung bewang. Hinabol pa niya. Pero it was a good wiper screen. Hinabol lang ng konting-konti.
Arellano with a chance to tie or take the lead. Ongotan.
2 minutes.
No good. Here comes Escamis. Agamenyi. Mid-range.
Good shot by Noel Agamenyi. Nakabawi dun sa kanyang offensive foul. Next play na.
Kapulong.
Basic. Pagka nakapihit to, papunta sa kaliwang balikat na. Tapos na perfect pa niya yung mga finish na ganyan. Nakabusugin mo yung mga ganyang wingman. Lalim ng seal eh. Tatlong kayo nakapalibot.
Meron ng 10 puntos si Kapulong. Oh! And Borromeo is pumped up. He has been assigned as the Escamis stopper in this game.
6 seconds to shoot.
I don't know if this is a good idea, but he's staring down the MVP. Borromeo is. Abonete, wild shot. Arellano, panibagong pagkakataon to tie or take the lead.
Doon nga magkakaproblema eh. Ngayon, pagka pumupwesto na,
Holding
kasi ang gagawin niya
foul on
didiin
number
eh, ng
7,
high-lowan
John
doon.
Abonete.
He would step to
Penalties,
his
third
right
foul.
side and then he would step over to get you behind. Pag hindi ka niya nakuha doon sa unang bangga, magmi-misdirect and then isisil ka sa
Andre
likuran.
Iglianen
Pag medyo
comes
magaan
in.
ka o kaya nagulat ka, makikipagbrasohan ka bigla. So yun yung
Or
matatawagan
John
ng referee.
Abonete.
So you want to have good habits of staying high on the post, especially for heavier guys na tulad ni Kapulong. Dahil pag napunta ka talaga sa likod niya, ang hirap ng recover. Kailangan naka 3/4 ka dyan or naka front na.
$11 now para kay JL. And a chance to tie the game. And this is our first deadlock since 19. Arellano came all the way back. And their fans are loving it. Iglianen. Oh, Kapulong with some pressure D. Mangubat, spin move. Mangubat. Offensive rebound. Concepcion.
Buhat.
Concepcion.
Nakakailang basket na rin dito sa second half si Concepcion.
Oh, Vinoya faking that handoff. Borromeo. Ongotan. Ongotan. Kamay!
Basket is good for Yuan Kamay.
Bumitin pa. So ang senyas dito, Hans po on that back door. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Ongotan. Akala ko wala nang pupuntahan kasi cardinal sin yan yung tatalon ka kasi hindi mo alam kung saan ka papasa. Pero good automatic read on the back door by Kamay. Right there. Oo, tinulak sa bewang. So tingnan natin yung review natin mga officials.
And this hurts for Mapua because meron pang bonus free throw si Yuan Kamay.
Better angle dito. Kasi mukhang not going for the ball. Tingnan natin kung anong tawag natin. Okay, not going for the ball. So ano category kaya to?
Upon review, it was an unsportsmanlike foul on number 12, Lawrence Mangkuban. Criteria number 1, not a legitimate attempt to play the ball.
Category 1. So bonus free throw dito kay Kamay.
Bonus free throw, Yuan Kamay.
And they have ball possession pa.
And this is Arellano's first lead since the first quarter.
Aaron Fermin for Andre Igliane.
Arellano scored the first 4 baskets, or first 4 points in this game. Pinoya on the loose. Maverick Pinoya gives Arellano a 3-point lead. Escamis from way out. And that will do it.
At the end of the
For the third quarter.
It's 54-51.
Arellano has overtaken Mapua with a 54-51 advantage.